Welcome to Home Reels Episode 4. Today we are diving into the world of bathrooms, exploring things you may not know you need that can truly transform your daily routines. So get ready for some surprises as we reveal the things you should look for in a bathroom. We have 3 full toilet and bath and 1 common powder room sa aming vacation house. And we have a few things we are looking for based on our requirements kung papaano namin gagamitin ito. So samahan nyo kami as we canvas for the perfect bathroom pieces that will suit our requirements at Cool Bath System. First is the powder room, that's 3 square meters. And out of all the bathroom that we have, this will be the busiest. We love hosting lunch or dinner with our family and friends. Kaya naman we want this powder room to be aesthetic and functional at the same time. Our water closet should be aesthetic, should have functional features like water saving. The wash basins should complement the water closet and the overall look of the powder room, and the faucet should be durable as it will always be used.
Hi ma'am!
Hello ma'am, good morning po.
So, naghahanap kami ng wash basin and water closet that's compact and hygienic.
So, since first requirement po natin is compact, we have po Cool Explore water closet po. So, mapapansin niyo po, very compact po yung size. Nasa 680 mm lang po yung length niya. So, mag-suit po talaga siya dun sa need niyo po. And then, mapapansin niyo rin po, concealed din po yung trapway niya sa baba. So, very easy to maintain. And then, meron din po siyang rimless function, kung mapapansin niyo po. Kapag lumabas po yung water, nakaka-capture niya yung buong surface ng bowl, so mas malinis po siya at very hygienic po. So, meron din po siyang quick release na seat and cover. Very easy to maintain, lalo po pag naglilinis po tayo, hindi na natin kailangan mag-screw-unscrew sa ilalim dahil easy release po yung hinges natin. And then meron din po siyang dual flush push button. So nagkukonsume po ito ng 3 and 6 liters. So 3 liters for liquid waste and 6 liters for solid waste. So yun po. So since yung first requirement po natin is compact water closet, yung i-offer ko po sa inyo ay Full Arc water closet. So mapapansin niyo po, maliit po yung size niya, nasa 690 mm lang po yung length niya. And then, since hinahanap din po natin is yung hygienic na water closet. So yung mapapansin niyo po, concealed po yung trapway niya. So mas malinis po siya, easy to maintain kasi hindi po natin, compared po sa mga regular toilets, hindi po exposed yung trapway niya. Yun po yung kadalasan po yung difficulty ng user sa paglilinis. At saka mabilis mag-develop yung mga molds pagdating po sa mga area na medyo hindi po straight lines po dyan. And then po, next po, meron po siyang HET feature. So, high efficiency po siya. So, yung regular flushing po natin is 3 and 6 liters. Pero dito po kay ARC, magkukonsume lang po tayo ng 4.5 liters per flush po. So, very high efficient po. Very water saving po. And then, mapapansin niyo po, UF na rin yung seat and cover niya. So, yung di po siya kagaya ng mga regular toilets po natin na PP plastic po yung material. So, mas durable po siya. Scratch resistant po. Impact resistant din po siya. And next po na feature natin ating seat and cover is easy detach din po siya. Ayan po, kung mapapansin nyo, napakabilis lang po tanggalin. So, pag maintenance po, napakabilis linisin. Ayan po. So, no worry po tayo dun sa paglilinis. And then, mabilis din po siyang i-install balik. Ayan po. So, yan. So, very easy maintenance po talaga siya. At saka, nagiging convenient po sa user natin. So, mapapansin nyo rin po, ang rim po ng water closet natin is rimless. So, ang advantage po nito is, paglabas po ng water doon, mas nakaka-capture nyo yung buong surface ng bowl. That's make it po na mas mabilis niya pong malinis yung toilet. So, mas hindi rin po siya kapitin ng dumi po at saka molds po natin. For wash basin requirement, so since compact po yung requirement natin, so yung offer po ng Cool ay Cool Kai wash basin. So, very modern yung design. Ang size po nito ay 40 by 40 po. And then, meron po siyang nano glaze or glaze protect na feature. So, yung ginagawa po nito, meron po siyang nanotechnology na nag-prevent sa mga bacteria at germs na makapenetrate po sa item po natin. So, very hygienic. Tapos, less maintenance kasi hindi po siya ganun kakapitin ng dumi. So, very convenient sa user natin. And then, papartneran po natin siya ng copper sensor faucet. So, very hygienic din po kasi less contact po tayo dun sa item. So, pag may nasense po siya na user, automatic lang po siya maglalabas ng water. And then, AC-DC type pa po siya. So, pag may abang po tayo ng direct line, pwede. At kung wala naman po, pwede din po siya ikabit dahil pwede din po siya sa battery type. So, very convenient po para sa mga users natin.
Ang dami palang compact and easy to maintain water closet and wash basin option from Cool Bath System. Let us know in the comment section kung anong best option for you guys. Now, moving on to our guest bathroom. Its size is 4 square meters. This guest bathroom is where we are planning to let our parents and grandparents stay. So we need a perfect bathroom piece that's comfortable, less maintenance, and easy to clean to make our guests and parents comfortable whenever they are staying with us.
Now, off to our guest bathroom. So, ano naman ma'am, yung wash basin, water closet, and shower na din na may extra feature para sa guest bathroom namin. Since it's a guest bathroom, gusto namin maganda whenever our guests will stay over.
Okay, for your guest bathroom, ma'am, so ang ma-offer po ng Cool Bath System is yung wide range po namin ng selection ng Glaze Protect items. Since BC area po yung guest room natin, so mas prefer po namin na Glaze Protect items yung ilalagay natin doon. Actually, meron tayong maraming selections, ma'am, pero ito po yung pinaka ma-offer ko sa inyo, ma'am, yung Cool Looks Water Closet. So, Glaze Protect po siya, number 1. So, yun po yung nanotechnology na nag-prevent po sa germs at saka bacteria na makapag-penetrate po sa item. So, very hygienic. So, mas less maintenance din kasi hindi siya ganun kakapitin ng mold saka dumi. So, very easy po talaga sa gagamit ng water closet. And then, meron po siyang soft close na seat and cover. So, nape-prevent po natin dyan yung bump din sa ceramic. And then, UF po siya, UF material. Scratch resistant, mas durable. So, less maintenance po tayo. Hindi po tayo papalit-palit po ng parts ng ating water closet. And then, meron po siyang dual flush feature. 6 liters for liquid waste and 6 liters for solid waste. So, very water saving po siya kasi hindi natin kailangan or hindi tayo mapupwersang mag-flush 6 liters every flush natin kasi meron po tayong 3 liters option for liquid waste po. And then, mapapansin nyo po, meron din siyang rimless feature. Plus po yung water, and po, fully nakaka-capture niya lahat ng surface sa bowl. So, very hygienic. So, mas malinis po siya. Less maintenance din po. And then, meron po tayong quick release na seat and cover. So, actually po talaga, when it comes to water closet, ito yung mga maliliit na bagay na paglilinis ng mga ganyang parte. Kasi yan po yung mga siksiki na parts na dumi. So, kapag quick release po yung seat and cover natin, mabilis lang po siya i-maintain. So, hindi po mahihirapan yung user po. At the same time, mabilis din po siyang ibalik. So, yan po. So, very convenient po sa user. And then, meron din po siyang concealed trapway feature. Yan po. So, mapapansin nyo po, so very convenient po sa user. Kahit mag-ano lang po tayo, wipe ng soft sponge dito tsaka soap, mabilis lang po malinis yung surface ng water closet po. So, maa-avail natin yan lahat, ma'am, sa ganitong package, ganitong amount. Yan po. Complete fittings na po yan with faucet, lahat po ng needed nutrition, soap holder, flexible hose, angle bulb, lahat po ng fittings sa pag-i-install, complete na po siya. So, less hassle na po talaga sa bibili at sa gagamit ng item. So, and then meron din pong ganitong klase ng basin na yung faucet po ay naka-install po mismo doon sa basin po mismo. So, meron po siyang provision for faucet po. For shower requirement po, so ang ma-offer po ng Cool Bath System ay yung Cool Slate Series. So very on trend po ngayon yung gray na finish, even po sa tiles, sa kahit anong pong bathroom fixtures. Kaya ito po yung masasuggest ko po sa inyo na kunin nyo po, ma'am, para mas updated at modern po yung design na gagamitin po natin. So, yung telephone shower kit po natin, so meron po siyang main rain shower, meron din po siyang telephone shower. So, yung telephone shower niya po meron 3 settings. So, i-click lang po natin dito. So, yung first setting niya po is, kung mapapansin niyo po dito, lalabas yung water. Yung second po dun sa white. And then, yung third setting niya po is lahat na po. Depende po sa desired na water pressure na gusto po ng user. Ayan po. And then, meron din po siyang, ayan po, mapapansin niyo yung diverter. Depende po kung ano gusto natin gamitin. Meron pong pang telephone shower, sa rain shower, and then po, ayan po, sa spout po ng ating shower kit. So, dito po na-adjust yung level ng temperature. Gusto po natin mainit or depende po sa desired na init ng gusto natin. Dito po naman yung spout niya. So, very new yung approach niya kaysa dun sa mga normal na shower kit natin. Very new po yung design. So, ma-avail po natin ito at 14,520. This one naman po is yung typical or regular design ng shower kit po. So, kung mapapansin niyo po, yan po yung diverter, yung iniikot po siya. So, makikita po natin kung rain shower yung gagamitin natin, telephone shower, or yung spout po. Ayan po. And then, ito po yung on and off niya, yung mixer niya. Yan po yung spout. At the same time, gumagamit din po ito ng Neopearl aerator. Sa telephone shower po niya, kanina, click type yung setting niya. So, dito naman po, so, ayan po. Paganyan naman po siya. So, yung first setting is lalabas po dito yung water. Second po dito. And then yung third setting is po full na po lalabas yung water. Depende nga po sa desired na pressure at lakas po ng gagamit po. So, meron po tayong dalawang options. So, depende na lang po kung ano yung mas gustong gamitin ng ating user. Para to complete yung bathroom setup po natin at mas unified po yung look. So, ito po yung Slate series na accessories po. So, complete po yan. Merong towel rack, soap holder, tissue holder, at saka shelves na kailangan po natin sa buong complete bathroom setup po natin. So, yan po siya.
Cool Bath system offers a wide range of water closet and wash basin that has good features and nice design that will surely make heads turn. At least kumpiyansa kami na pag nakita and nagamit ito ng guest namin, hindi kami mapapahiya. Now on to our last and special bathroom, the master bathroom. It is quite big with a size of 10.5 square meters. We have always wanted a bathroom that's complete with bathtub, so we can relax and at the same time, para kaming nasa spa in our vacation house.
So, for your master bedroom requirement naman po, so yung ang offer po ng Cool Bath system ay yung Cool Monarch water closet at saka yung Cool Miles wash basin. And then, papartneran po natin ng Slate series na high basin mixer. So, yung Monarch water closet, so, yung feature po nito ay meron po siyang rimless feature po. So, same din po yan. Pag lumabas po yung water, fully makaka-capture po yung buong surface ng bowl. So, very hygienic po. So, mas less maintenance, very easy to clean. And then, soft close seat and cover din po siya. Iwas bump po sa ceramic, which normally yun po nagkakos ng damage or breakages po. And then, quick release din po siya. Seat and cover. So, very easy to maintain, lalo po pag maglilinis po tayo ng ating water closet. At mapapansin nyo po, bibilis din po siya ibalik. Yan. So, less hassle po talaga sa gagamit. And then, meron din po siyang concealed trapway. Yan po. So, mapapansin nyo po, yan po. So, very straight po yung lines. So, hindi po talaga mahihirapan yung end user natin na maglinis po ng water closet. Meron din po siyang dual flush feature. So, 3 liters for liquid waste and then 6 liters for solid waste. Usually po yung master bedroom ay malaki, so mas akma po siya sa size po na kailangan nyo po. And then po yung Miles wash basin po natin, so meron po siyang glaze protect feature again. So very hygienic din po. So meron po siyang nanotechnology na nag-prevent po sa pag-penetrate ng bacteria sa ceramic item po natin. Tapos papartneran po natin siya ng Slate series na high basin mixer. So ayan po. So very durable din po yung faucet natin. Meron po siyang soft turn feature. So, ayan po, kung mapapansin niyo po, very soft. So, hindi po tayo mabibigla pag gagamitin natin siya at i-assign natin sa desired temperature natin. Then, meron po siyang Neopearl aerator. So, yung Neopearl aerator, yung advantage po nito, nire-regulate niya po yung flow ng water. Brass material po ito, so makakasigurado po tayo na durable at kaya po mag-withstand ng high temperature yung faucet po natin. So, to complete po yung master's bathroom setup po natin, so yung offer po ng Cool ay cool, pure, freestanding bathtub para po dun sa bathtub na kailangan po natin. So, yan po, mapapansin nyo po, complete fittings na po siya. So, less hassle na, hindi ka na maghahanap dun sa faucet area kung ano ba yung mag-fit na faucets at fittings para sa bathroom mo. So, very easy to use kasi andyan lang po yung may mga label naman po kung for hot and cold, for diverter, and then for telephone shower po siya. And then, mabilis na lang din po install kasi complete na nga po siya. Even po yung waste and overflow niya po ay kasama na rin po sa buong setup po. So, very modern yung design. So, make sure po natin na pagdating po sa aesthetics, maa-achieve po talaga natin yung dream bathroom setup po natin. Acrylic material po siya, ma'am. So, yung mga ganong materials, very lightweight. So, hindi po tayo mahihirapan just in case may maintain po tayo sa area at durable din naman po siya, ma'am.
Medyo nahirapan kami pumili for our master bathroom as we wanted to be perfect for our needs. It's good that we have a lot of options to choose from and with the requirements that we have in mind, plus the additional new feature we discovered, we need to make sure that we will choose the one that suits our lifestyle and our farmhouse look.
Finally, natapos na kami sa slabs and posts. We are now on our walls, water, and electric connections. Our foreman decided na unahin na yung mga abang for water and electricity so we can identify and decide which bathroom piece we should get at ready na rin for installation.
It has been raining for the past few weeks pero tuloy pa rin ang construction. And we can't wait to share with you which bathroom pieces we are going to get. May idea na ba kayo? Or maybe suggestions? Comment down below.
When it comes to bathroom needs, shop smart. Cool Bath System has everything that you need and more. Functional na yung mga pieces, has aesthetic modern design, plus cool pa yung mga features at prices you will love. See you again soon in the next episode as we share with you more about our vacation house. For more info, go to any CW Home Depot branch or Cebu Home Builder Center, look for Cool Bath System, or visit our Facebook page at Cool Bath System. You may also follow our social media accounts.